What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I am back. I made $850 on a trade on NASDAQ, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I sent out a message to my Discord saying to not take a trade today because price action was at all-time highs and we were just chopping. But I in fact did take a trade, and it was the low of the day. So besides that, everything is going to be on my Instagram, all my posts, the private community, all that on my Instagram. If you want to check it out, it's in the description. But besides the point, let's get into the trade. So on the hourly chart, we see a bearish movement down, as you can see right here. But on a higher time frame, we are trending bullish. So today, my high time frame bias was bullish. On top of that, I marked out an hourly fair value gap and an order block that could be targets after sweeping out these two lows. And what happened during market open? Market opens and we sweep both lows on NASDAQ, while ES did not sweep these lows. So we have our first SMT, first confluence. Secondly, as soon as we see a liquidity sweep on top of an SMT, we go to the 1 minute, and look for fair value gaps. And this is the first one that we see, this this bearish fair value gap right here. Put my fib retracement off of the order block of the move up, and perfect extension -2 to 2.5 on London highs, and eventually the -4, which we eventually did hit and then are trending down. Crazy. Wow, cool. Anyway, enter off this 1 minute break of structure and inverse fair value gap right here. See the retracement back in, and our first target was going to be the middle of this order block right here, and then the fair value gap right above it, the London highs. So what happens? Zero drawdown. We absolutely smack it in an hour time, and I could have held it again to all-time highs, but didn't want to be greedy. Still banged this for $850. So the things that I could improve on, honestly, today was an A+ setup. It was every single confluence that I needed to take my trade. Besides the fact that maybe I could have left a runner to all-time highs. I could have moved my last last 2 micros to all-time highs, let it run, because there were so many bullish confluences that need to get swept. There's this 5 minute and then this 15 minute. I could have, put my stop loss above the maybe 5 minute and let the last 2 run, but besides that, every single confluence was used, and this was an $850 win. This is my 3rd win in a row, which is a win streak basically off of losing 13 times in a row. So that's perfect. My account balance is at 51,000. I'm a 3rd way done from passing my next account, which is sweet already. But yeah, this is going to be a wrap. If you want to see everything, it's on my Instagram. But besides that, I love and appreciate you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.